Another chilly one this morning. It got down into the low 40s. Everybody's here. I've seen Panther on the front porch, and the backyard crew is all together. Not exactly 100% sure where everybody's sleeping at night, though. I need to go back and look at the security cameras, and the problem is if somebody's in there, I can't see that. But they're all out here in the morning looking fine, so that's good. I was really surprised that Stripe wasn't in the garage when I looked at midnight when I was headed to bed. I am meeting Michelle to shop, so let me get the water bowls swapped out. They're so dirty in the morning. It's so frustrating. This is from raccoons. It's not like that when I go to bed, and then, or at least the last time I'm outside in the evening, it's not like that. And then when I wake up in the morning, it's a muddy mess. I got your water refreshed, but dang, it's cold. Yeah, that noise over there in the woods is Morris and Marty playing and climbing trees and having fun. Oh my God. Morris just ran up the hill, but he ran into the yard with the antique car, so that doesn't distress me too much. I think he was just being frisky. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Are you excited for your food? Okay. You probably can't quite see him through there, but Stripe must be hunting a mouse. He's staring at the ground, and I called to him when I was down there watering, and he wouldn't even turn his head toward me. Oh, there, let me zoom in. There he is. Hey, pretty girl. Hi. Hello. Hi. There you go. Hey, Tony. Oh, he's ready to go this morning. He's going to leave me.
That's not true. I'm going to be walking with my pretty girl.
It's warming up quick in the sun, but it was chilly in the shade this morning. Okay, let's go. I am all black cat decked out for shopping with Michelle. Let's go find some fun stuff and some bargains. Michelle's gonna catch up to me in Thriftronics. She is on her way. Oh my God, it lights up at everything. Is it Loungefly?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks that nice, and she has on her Temu shirt. I have on my Temu shirt that she gave me too.
I got you a keychain from our little trip. It's not a black cat because they didn't have any.
Oh, but it's very cute.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh my God, it's just not fair that all the cute stuff is for little kids. I want it, I want it. I guess some people see candle holder. The first thing I saw was Fairy Garden bird bath. Well, that's kind of an interesting print. It's one of those where you keep on staring at it and trying to soak it all in. Although, why do all the people have such wide coats? So Michelle and I always see flags with letters, but it's the wrong letter. Did you know? We didn't know that they make letters you can attach to your flag, so you can just get the letter you need and put it on any flag you want. This is also the wrong letter though. Really cool Annalie. It's labeled Irishman playing fiddle. I don't usually collect the big ones, but he's pretty cool. Connor has a set of larger Annalie. It's a very cute birdhouse. Looks like a school teacher thing from Home Goods. It was $25. They're selling it for $10, but it is coming apart just a little bit on the back. It's, you know, not really meant for birds and not really meant for outside, but it sure is cute. I found a couple of new cool cat mugs. They always have such a great selection of tables and chairs with some recliners and couches thrown in. This caught my eyes. Oh, it's a fancy file cabinet is what it is. Okay. For when you need to pretend like you're in the band even though you're not. It's a good thing it's not kitties or I'd fight you for it. Oh my goodness, it's so totally cute and a really nice shirt quality, the fabric. It's nice.
And then look at the...
Oh, and on the back side too is too cool. It was another awesome day. It's a good thing Michelle's only bringing home one kid today from school and not 3. There's no room. Somebody be on the roof rack.
What's this, a book?
I don't want you guys to miss out on 2 weeks in a row and Dawn didn't.
Yeah. Oh, it's a Lego book. Build your own adventure.
Harry Potter. And it does have cool little miniature builds in there of spooky wizardry kind of stuff. So hold up the cover of the book so they can see it too. There you go.
Oh.
That came from Little Angel. So I actually bought something at Little Angel today.
So it's hardcover, so it was $1?
I think so. Michelle grabbed it from my hand because she had several things and she actually paid for it. Which one of us has more than the other at Little Angel? 2 or 3 items. The other will just grab the other person's
We have
stuff.
yet another coffee cup.
Yes, hold it up now.
Yeah,
do good. You gotta
hold. It has a heart.
It does, and it's like a gold foil heart.
It's like a gold foil heart.
I need to go to the ABC store because I need some boxes to store some mugs. They were buy one get one free, so I paid $2 for both of them.
This has pictures of cats on it. Big old fat cat.
Yep, it does.
No writing in it though.
No, different cat poses.
Cat person. Yeah. So
cat person it says.
So
yes, I thought that fit.
You have that many cats probably. Yeah.
Probably. So there's an interesting device in here, and I bought it because it's Lenovo, and it was $2.
Way cool.
Well, hold that up. You got, so they can only see from here up.
It's a 3-way.
It's another outside. Yeah. There are no plugs in our house, like basically none that don't have multiple add-on.
Oh, it's for you people who type with one finger.
It's a QWERTY, is that how you say it? Keyboard?
QWERTY keyboard.
It's Lenovo.
Yeah,
I'm assuming it's Bluetooth, and it's like a, I don't know. There's videos on it out on YouTube, and you know, for a couple of bucks, I thought we'd hold it up a little higher so they can see it too. Not that high. Come on, you. See, he can't show the stuff because he's so interested in reading it. It's N502 or something like that. I actually did watch a little YouTube video on it.
I'm looking for something that implies that it's Bluetooth.
Yeah, like the symbol. I didn't see that.
Yeah, I don't either. But it's $2. It's cute.
It's cute.
I guess.
Well, Johnny has a Lenovo computer. I thought maybe, just maybe, we'll let Johnny figure it out. He's tearing my bag. It's okay. I guess we tied it too tight.
It too tight.
I have another scarecrow. Isn't he cute? Put him on your shoulder. There you.
You know, I don't get paid enough to be laughed at.
That is a neck warmer.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Feel how soft it is.
Yeah, very soft.
It's a neck warmer. So sometimes when we walk in the winter, I feel like my neck is where that gets really cold. So you can put them on and try them, but there's something I'm going to do with that.
You can put them on a cat?
No.
I think they're actually prescription. They've got some kind of.
Really?
Yeah, they're not.
In a good way or a bad way?
Well, I don't know. I can't do things like. They're not.
Just. Well, darn it! I don't want them to. Anyway, I wanted a lens, but maybe they won't work.
They are lenses. That's
right.
And we have a cat pillow.
It's a stuffy.
A stuffy.
Yeah, hold him up. Yeah. Come on, Vanna.
It is cute.
It is cute. Yes. Mm-hmm.
We have a owl towel
for 4th of July.
4th of July owl.
Yep, he's all fireworked up.
Yeah, and we have
a iron-on applique. Okay. Sparkles, Boo sparkles.
And
a couple of sticker packs. I actually meant to give one of them to Michelle,
Yeah,
but
we have stickers says Happy Halloween.
it's got black cats and owls.
Black cats and owls. I see the black cat and see the owl.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Well, thank you. I actually didn't hardly get anything today.
Yeah.
I mean, look, if it's bare, you know, fully on the end of the counter here. Are you my Lego delivery person?
It doesn't sound like Legos. Listen, did they implement that thing you asked them not to, so that I don't know it's Legos?
They're probably just little pieces in bubble wrap in little tiny bags.
Yeah, I suppose.
Or that might be the Hallmark ornament. Are you sure that's not the Hallmark ornament I ordered?
I don't know. It's the Hallmark one.
Oh, I thought I had Legos, but that's a cool, what's in that box is also quite cool.